Want to sell your products online but not sure where to start? Today, I'll share 16 easy and powerful ways you can start selling right from your phone or laptop. Let's get started. 1. Create a one-product store. Focus on selling one hero product through a simple website or Instagram page. This helps build a strong brand and trust. 2. Use short videos to sell. Make reels or TikToks showing how your product solves a problem. Short videos convert better than photos. 3. Add buy now, pay later options. Offer flexible payment plans so customers can split the cost into smaller payments. This makes it easier for them to buy, even if they don't have the full amount right away. 4. Build a website as you grow. Once your store starts growing, create your own website. Add an eye-catching brand logo. To create your own brand logo, go to design.com and just add your brand name. You can use a variety of different designs and styles already available with your entered brand name. How cool is that? Select the design you like and customize your own brand logo by changing any text or colors in a few easy steps. And your brand logo is ready to download. Not only the logo, you can create your own business card, flyers, or any designs here. Also, they offer Cute Things channel viewers up to 88% off for your brand logo. I already put the link below in the description for you guys. 5. Sell via WhatsApp or direct DM. Add a message to order option. Some customers prefer chatting directly. Build trust and close sales faster. 6. Use AI tools for trendy content. AI can help you design posts, edit videos, and follow the latest trends. Create unique content and share it on Instagram or TikTok. 7. Use local Facebook Marketplace or buy-sell groups. Add your product on Facebook Marketplace or post them in city-based and niche-specific FB groups. Write friendly, helpful captions and include nice photos. 8. Collaborate with micro-influencers. Instead of big influencers, work with small creators who match your target audience. They're more affordable and get real results. 9. Use countdown offers or limited stock alerts. Add urgency. Post things like only 5 left or offer ends in 24 hours. People take quick action. 10. Offer freebies for reviews. Give small gifts or discounts in exchange for customer photos or video reviews. User-generated content builds strong trust. 11. Launch a pre-order campaign. Before making or buying stock, take pre-orders. Share mock-ups and test demand while collecting early payments. 12. Offer digital gift cards. Many people buy gift cards for birthdays or holidays. Use tools like design.com and a simple payment link to create your own. 13. Make Pinterest pins for each product. Pinterest still drives traffic. Pin product photos with links to your store. Great for art, fashion, crafts, and decor. 14. Create a WhatsApp or Telegram VIP group. Add your best customers to a private group. Share new arrivals, secret deals, or limited drops. Doing this builds loyalty. 15. Create how-to or behind-the-scenes content. Show how you make your products, how to use them, or how to care for them. This builds a personal brand and trust. 16. Host a comment to win giveaway. Ask followers to tag a friend and comment on your post. This brings more people to your page and increases visibility fast.